Welcome to the Amazon Connector Quick Start Guide. This video will focus on a basic configuration connecting to your Amazon Marketplace store. Use this connection method if your business transactions are solely fulfilled by Amazon and you do not require access to the personal data of your customers or any data that Amazon considers to be PII, personally identifiable information, or classed as restricted. If you require access to PII as part of your e-commerce integration processes, you will need the restricted data access version of this video. Before starting this install, you will require BPA Platform 2021 or above, the Amazon Connector tool, and an Amazon Seller Central account and credentials. The BPA platform-related software can be downloaded via the partner area on the Codeless Platforms website. From the desktop, we will navigate to the Amazon Connector folder and run the Amazon Connector setup. Click Next through the following windows. For this demonstration, we are using the default installation location. Then click Install. When complete, click Finish. We can now open BPA Platform. In BPA Platform, navigate to System, Tools, Data Connectors. Then open the Amazon Connector. This is the global configuration window. This will list all the connections you have created for this tool. Then let's click Add. For this demonstration, we will name this connection Seller Central Authorization. And click Next. In the Amazon Connection General tab, we will select the operating country. As this connection is for a solely fulfilled by Amazon scenario, we will not require the restricted data access mode. This is required for connections that require access to consumer personal data and other restricted content. We will now click Authorize. The Amazon login page will then appear. Enter your credentials and click Sign In. Then proceed with the two-step verification. In the next window, we need to select the operating country for Amazon and click Select Account. In the Authorize BPA Platform window, we will scroll to the bottom and we will check the Access box and click Confirm. The connection is now completed. When the initial authentication is completed, the connection is also established. Use Test Connection to confirm this at any time. Click Next to go to the Advanced node. This page enables the configuration of request limit retries and the use of pagination in the connector. The Enable Pagination option is selected by default, enabling the Amazon Connector to internally handle pagination for SP API responses. Amazon will only return a set number of records at a time in some operations, requiring pagination to be employed to return all expected responses. If you uncheck this option, then the fields relating to pagination will be present in the step UI for affected operations and will require repeated calls at runtime and more user intervention. For more information on this, please see the white paper. We will leave this option checked. The retry setting governs how many times a call to Amazon will be attempted if a 429 error is returned from the API. This reduces the chances of task failures because of Amazon's rate limits. Its default setting is 3 retries. However, if this is not sufficient, you can increase this value. We will leave this setting unchanged. The retry wait time dropdown is used to set the time interval in seconds between retry attempts if the retry setting is greater than 0. we will leave this at 3 seconds. Enabling Update Objects and Operations allows the Amazon Connector schema in BPA Platform to be refreshed every time an update is made to the objects and operations. We will then click the Amazon Connection node. This will display the connection summary. Click OK to close this window. We can now see our new connection. In this window, we have the option to enable extended logging. Selecting this option exposes the full XML parsed between the connector and the Selling Partner API, which is valuable for debugging purposes. As this option will store potentially large amounts of data in the BPA Platform event log, it is not recommended for normal operations. Without extended logging, the event log only contains start and end of transaction messages, plus any error messages encountered at runtime. This option is only available for connections that are configured using the authentication method presented earlier in this video. And that's it for this quick start guide. If you require more information, please see any accompanying documentation and the tool white papers. For further assistance, please contact your account manager or visit codelessplatforms.com. Thanks for watching.